Sagittarius, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano parating sa inyo ngayong fourth quarter ng 2024, October, November, December. Ayan. So, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see, Sag. What's coming to you? Ancestors. Uy. Maaring iba sa inyo mapapanaginipan nyo yung mga mahal nyo sa buhay na mayapa na, like lolo, lola, parents nyo. I feel like there is someone who's always been guiding you through, no? This can be a romantic person or a family member na namayapa na laging naka-guide sa'yo. You also have meditation. Some of you, itong ancestor na to or someone, or a family member or a loved one na namayapa na, pag gusto nyo silang makita or meron kayong gustong like malaman or parang you want them to be with you in spirit, meditate. Kasi magpapakita yan sa inyo. Oo. Hindi siya nakakatakot, no? It's like, you will feel a sense of comfort, no? Na they are there. You will realize na hindi ka nag-iisa. Someone, like a family member who have passed on, no? Nawala na, ay nandyan for you. Compassion. So, I also see na mas magiging mapagmahal ka sa sarili mo, sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. You will also share your blessings to them. Kasi ang green, this is your heart chakra. So I feel like you will be more generous in showing your love to others. Let's see what else, Sag. The Hermit. So, the Hermit is someone na marami siyang alam sa buhay. Kasi marami na siyang naging experiences sa buhay. At marami na siyang mga natutunan. And I feel like, yung iba sa inyo, kung ano yung mga natutunan nyo sa buhay, you're going to apply that sa inyong mga plano. No? I feel like you have more plans before the year ends. And kung meron ka mga plans na gusto mong gawin, I feel like hindi mo to pagsasabi sa iba. Ikaw lang muna yung nakakaalam niyan. And yan rin kasi yung way mo para maproteksyonan yung sarili mo. You have the Apprentice of Cups. So some of you are going to be very creative. Meron kayong mga pangarap na sisimulan. No? Kumbaga, meron kang, let's say, pangarap mo ng bata ka, tapos hindi ka nabigyan ng pagkakataon na gawin yun or i-fulfill yun kasi may ibang direction kang tinahak. So, I think ngayon may pagkakataon ka na i-pursue yan. Whatever that is. You have the Two of Cups. Some of you are going to spend some time with your loved ones or romantic partner, no? Pwedeng iba sa inyo papasok kayo sa isang serious relationship. Para yung iba rito, can be, yung tipong matagal na kayong magkakilala, pero recently lang kayo nagka-developan. Parang ganun. You also have Judgment. So, this is about rebirth, bagong ikaw. So, I think you are also reinventing yourself, no? Merong transformation dito. So, reinventing yourself, maaring kung dati meron kang career path na tinatahak, and you realize na it's no longer serving you, no? Parang hindi ka na masaya doon, hindi ka na fulfilled. Now, kumbaga parang sinastrategize mo kung paano ka lilipat or magbabago ng journey mo. So, meron kang realization na, teka, 10 taon na ako sa career na to, wala pa rin nangyayari. Hindi ako masaya, hindi ako fulfilled kasi hindi to yung pangarap ko. So it's you realizing what you really want, and ngayon mas malakas na yung loob mo na i-pursue yun. Money, career, finances. You have the 5 of Wands. May nag-aaway-away dito sa pera. Maaring maka-experience kayo ng disagreement pagdating sa plano sa trabaho, sa negosyo. So, pag ganito, syempre, importante mag-usap. Oo, para magkaintindihan. Kasi pwede magkaroon ng misunderstanding within your co-workers or with your boss, or pwedeng sa pera sa mga magkakamag-anak, mag-away-away, o watch out talaga. Sag, there is more than meets the eye. Be careful who you deal your finances with. O maging maingat daw sa mga taong makakadeal mo pagdating sa pera, dahil maaring meron dito na nagte-take advantage sa'yo. Or parang iti-take advantage yung kabutihan mo or kahinaan mo. Lalo na yung mga papasok sa investment, no? Na syempre yung iba, nagtiwala lang sa sinabi ng isang kaibigan, kamag-anak, pero hindi talaga inaral kung ano yung pinapasok nila. So usually sila yung nasa scam. So for some of you, you have to be careful sa mga papasukin yung investment. Sa love life, 8 of Wands, yung iba very busy. May mga travel opportunities with your loved ones, family, romantic partner, mga kamag-anak. If you're single, maraming messages coming through, merong nagkakaroon ng interest sa inyo. And I think, no, kung single ka, possible na magkaroon ka ng romantic partner bago matapos ang 2024. Ngayong 4th quarter. Especially if you're manifesting that person sa buhay mo. Yes. Kumbaga i-visualize mo na kung sino tong taong to. Not actually kung sino, not a particular person, but kung ano yung gusto mo sa isang relationship. Baka maganda yung mata. Mabait. Ganon. If you are into legal cases, no? Meron ditong desisyon. Kung merong court case sa inyo, magkakaroon na to ng desisyon bago matapos ang taon. Yung iba sa inyo, mas may enjoy nyo yung katahimikan na ng isip na mag-isa lang kayo, doing things on your own, being a loner. Some of you are also moving on from a situation na conflicted, can be a relationship or sa workplace ninyo. Person of water, so some of you may be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and yung iba mas magiging malakas ang inyong instinct, yung inyong intuition. You will easily feel if something is wrong, parang something is off sa person na to or sa isang situation. So you are letting go or giving up something. So yung iba sa inyo, this can be a career na career, business, or anything na ili-let go mo kasi alam mo na hanggang dun na lang. Pwede ring relationship for some of you. But this is about releasing what is no longer serving your highest good. Okay? This is for the greater good. Kumbaga na-realize mo kung ano mas makakabuti sa'yo. Kaya ili-let go mo na yan. Pwedeng unhealthy habits. Universal laws and truths are now being revealed. Use this energy to create your reality. Yes. And you are learning all aspects of spiritual connection and reaching new heights. Wow. Learning aspects of spiritual connection. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring, like what I mentioned kanina, this is a spiritual journey for you. Magkakaroon ng major spiritual awakening. You are realizing your true power. Especially if you are into spirituality, you are a psychic, spiritual leader, ganyan. And I think meron kang marireach ngayon na parang milestone sa career path mo. This is not your practice life decide. What is your inner voice telling you about the dream in your heart? Ayan. So, merong major decision for some of you. Ito yung voice within you na sinasabi sa inyo na, uy, Sag, ipurso mo na yung gusto mo, yung passion mo, gawin mo na. Ganun. Okay, so that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye.